Is your VW Taos key fob not working reliably? The most common culprit is a dead or dying CR20032 coin cell battery. This video shows you how to quickly and easily replace it yourself. First, confirm you have a 2022-2025 VW Taos key fob, identifiable by its standard key fob design. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is 3 volts with 220 mAh capacity, a small flathead screwdriver or coin, and optionally, plastic pry tools to avoid scratches. Carefully pry open the fob casing using the screwdriver or coin at the designated slot, usually near the keyring attachment. Note the battery's orientation before removing the old one. The positive side typically faces up. Install the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Firmly snap the fob casing back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it unlocks and locks the doors and activates other functions. If it still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the battery is making good contact. Remember to recycle your old battery at a designated recycling center. To ensure a successful replacement and longevity, always use a high-quality CR2032 battery from a reputable brand. Avoid cheap knockoffs, as they often have shorter lifespans. When opening the fob, use insulated tools to prevent static discharge, which can damage the electronics. If you encounter corrosion inside the fob, clean it gently with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol before inserting the new battery. After replacing the battery, you may need to resynchronize the fob with your vehicle by following the procedure in your owner's manual. Looking ahead, Volkswagen is moving towards more sustainable key fob designs. Newer models may feature rechargeable lithium polymer batteries. Future fobs could even utilize energy harvesting technologies like kinetic or solar power. Keep an eye out for app-integrated fobs that allow remote battery monitoring, aligning with the increasing trend of connected car features. Regular annual checks are advised, but DIY battery swaps can cut costs effectively.